Hello, my name is Ranieri and I am the owner of the hotel and restaurant Pizzeria Grill La Colombière in Grand-Saconnex on the Route de Ferney 171. Our guests especially appreciate our hotel rooms, first because we are very well situated and they can go anywhere on foot or by bus or taxi, both of which are very close. Above all, you sleep very well here. We have received a lot of compliments from guests who have spent a night in our hotel. For this reason, our hotel is always fully booked. In addition, we serve excellent meals. Our kitchen is known for its variety and guests can choose from a large menu.